Hello guys, welcome to day 3. Today we have another interesting question, that is 2sum. In this question they give array and one target element. We identify that we adding two elements in the array they get target element. That is, suppose we have I will use notepad. Suppose we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and they give target element, target t equal to some 7. So in this we have 3 plus 4 equal to 7. We know that. So we print the indexes of the 3 index is 2 and 4 index is 3. So we print indexes in the form of array only. I hope you understand the question. Think a minute and you can easily solve with use. I will help you with using the hash map. You can solve it. Please comment below. Otherwise, I will explain. Coming to solution of the question, we are using with the help of hash map. So first we iterate from left to right, and we subtract each element with array of the with target element. So first we create hash map, one hash map, and first we check 1. 5 minus 1 is 4. 4 is present in the hash map or not. If 4 is present, we print the 1 index and 4 index in the form of array. That is the main logic. Suppose 2 and 2. 2 minus 5 minus 2 is 3. 3 is present in the hash map or not? No. So first we 1, and here we store the one array of the element with key and value with index of the element. So 1 is key and 0 index is 0. No, 0 is value. And 1 is completed. And 2, 5 minus 2, 3. 3 is not present in the hash map. So we store the 2 with 2 and 1. Same logic. And coming to 3 minus 5 minus 3 is 2. So here 2 is present in the hash map. So we print the value of 2, 1, and value of 3, 2. So we got the answer. Coming to coding part, first we create hash map. No, hash map integer we printing in key and value. No, integer with integer one variable hs new hash map and we iterate from 0 index to n minus 1. No, so int I equal to 0 to nums dot up to nums dot n minus 1 and I plus plus we are using. And first we have separate the element. No, so we get in some variable into x equal to target element minus nums of I. If that that x value is present in the hash map or not, we check. How to check? If hs dot contains key, that means we are storing the key values as in array of the element. No, so we hs contains key. This is the function we have, method we have. X, if x is contains in the key, it then true. Now if loop is executed, and we have return present return directly array int I with value of the get dot x, value or index of the x, that means value of x, and this index present array element index I. That's it. And we if we did not present, we adding to the element with index in hash map. No, so that step is hs dot put we are using method hs.put with nums.I comma I. That is the main step. Here if the no elements is present, directly we can return int of 0. That's it. We can run this. What the output is getting. You can see if we have any errors. hs.getDot class is unexpected. 1 second. So here we got the error means. So we are creating the object. No, we using new here, new, and here also we are using new. We can run now. Yeah, it all test case passed. We submit it. We can check if test cases are passed or not. Yeah, it passed. So that is for day 3, and thank you so much for supporting, and ready for day 4.